Hello, everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So, there is one question in every new joining of Accenture that do we actually get the variable pay or it is just a number on the paper? So, well, today I'm going to clear all your doubts based on my experience, and yes, the truth might surprise you. So, when you receive your Accenture offer letter, you will notice a portion called variable pay mentioned separately from your fixed salary. Now, many people think that it is just a trap, companies never give it, or it's too complicated to get it right. But here's the reality. Yes, Accenture does give variable pay, and I have personally received it every month. If you are at level 11 to 13, your variable pay is credited monthly. I'm at level 12, so my variable pay gets credits with my salary, and it is like credited directly in with your salary in the salary account. And for level 11 and above, it's not monthly, you receive it every 6 months, right? For example, I get around rupees 3200 every month as a variable pay on top of my fixed compensation. This amount is different for everyone because it's based on the percentage mentioned in your offer letter. So remember, this is not a fake promise and not a hidden amount. It's a part of your total salary package, but it is apart from your fixed pay. For example, let's suppose you have got the offer for 5 lpa, right? And like after all the deduction, your fixed in hand is 5 lpa, and your whole package is somewhat around 6 lpa, and the hr has mentioned that you will get around 0 to 12% of the variable pay. So that is actually very thing that is very correct. You will be getting that, but it is not possible that you are getting that full of the 12%. You might get 5%, 6%, 7%, or 8%, but you will definitely get that because I am getting that variable pay. So next time if someone says variable pay is just a myth, you know the truth because Accenture give it. I don't know about another organizations, but yes, Accenture does give it. And yes, you will see it in your bank account. It will be mentioned in your salary slip also, but the exact amount depends upon your level, your percentage, and your performance. So hope this clears your confusion. If you want more insider details about Accenture's salary, joining, and onboarding, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. And please comment that what on which topic you want the new video. So thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye. See you in the next video.